Hello guys, hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Angelezeblog, and this is my YouTube channel Angelezeblog, where God comes first and every other thing last. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and spread this video, spread this channel. God bless you as you do. And do not forget to press the notification bell and be the first to watch my next video. God bless you. I love you, but God loves you more. I remain your favorite girl, Angelezeblog. So let's dive into today's topic. Hello guys, hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Angelezeblog, and this is my YouTube channel Angelezeblog, where God comes first and every other thing last. So please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment, and spread this video, spread this channel. God bless you as you do. So a quick dive into today's topic. Released. Yeah. Your blessings has been released to you. Yes. Early this morning, God gave me a revelation, a very clear revelation, like a vision. And in it, I saw some monies that the enemy took, that was being returned. And I had clearly that, in essence, what I had was they thought they stole it. They thought they stole it from you, but they actually helped you to save it. They actually helped you to save it like a storage. They were just used like a storage, like a bank, like an account to save it for you. God used them. They thought they did you wrong, but in reality, God just messed them up. Yeah. So in reality, they saved it for you for the right time of God's will to release it unto you. So actually, they did not cause you any loss in reality, because when you keep your money in the bank and you have access to go and take it at the right time, for example, your fixed deposit, you have a right to go and take it at the right time of your choice, of your will. It's not being stolen from you. It's still yours, right? So that's what happened. They thought they stole it from you. They thought they took it from you. You thought you lost it, but no. God used them as a storage to save it up for you till His right time, to release it into your life, to release it into your hands, to release it to you. So this is the right time. The right time has come. God has commanded, God has released this fire against them to return it back. So it has been released back to you. It has been returned back to you. That's why I saw this revelation-like vision. Before I woke up this morning, God just flashed it to me. I saw many money. They just released it. They just returned it. And I heard very clearly what sound, in essence, like they saved it for you. They thought they stole it from you. But in reality, they saved it for you to be released back to you at God's set time, at God's appointed time, at the time of God's will. And this is the time of God's will. God has commanded, God has released this fire for them to release and return it back to you. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, support your girl by simply subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting, and be a dedicated and a committed subscriber. God bless you as you do. I remain your favorite girl, Angelezeblog, and this is my YouTube channel, Angelezeblog, where God comes first and every other thing last. Yes. I love you. See you on my next video.